Look at that thing go. Man. Fuel's on the right tank. Avionics off. Autopilot off. Yeah. Carb heat off. Throttle slight. Crack it open a little bit. Parking brake. Master on. Beacon on. Fuel pump on. Mixture full rich. As required, mag start. Clear prop. Oil temperature, oil pressure is coming in the green. Oil temp's coming up as well. Fuel pump off. Watch fuel pressure. Now you can lean out mixture.
Avionics on. There's the automated weather. Altimeter 3020. Begin our taxi to runway 31. Give it a little bit of power. Runway traffic, Warrior 43051, crossing 213 on the ground range. Okay, brakes, 2,000 RPM. Right mag, there's a drop. Left mag, there's a drop. Carb heat on, drop. Suction. Amps. Traffic, Warrior 43051, departing runway 31, remaining in the pattern window. Runway 31 verified. Get on center line here. Prefer to come to a full stop before I do my takeoff. Take off brakes. Alright, here we go. Looking for 60 miles an hour. There's 60. Rotate. Climb out is 87. Range traffic, Warrior 43051, turning crosswind 31 the range. Range traffic, Warrior 43051, turning downwind for 31 the range. Pull back to cruise power here, 2100 RPM. Range traffic, Warrior 43051, turning base, runway 31 the range. On final now, so I'll call. Range traffic, Warrior 43051, final 31 Lagrange. Our approach speed is 80. Go on the glide slope. A bit of crosswind with the left. About the power level one. I'm gonna add full flaps now. A little bit low, pump the power in. There we go. Range traffic warrior 43051 vacating 31 on Tango, taxi back 31. Alright, taxiing back 31. Wow, that was actually amazing though. We'll hold short of 31. Lane lights and fuel pump on. Mixture full rich. Flaps are down. Takeoff trim is set. Alright. Here we go. Get off brakes. At an altitude 1700. Range traffic quarter 43051, turning crosswind 31 Lagrange. Lagrange traffic quarter 43051, downwind 31 Lagrange. Lagrange traffic warrior 43051, turning base runway 31 Lagrange. Keep sitting at 1 notch left. Turned a little bit too early. Get lined up here. Put in full flaps. For 80, I'm a little bit fast. Off the power level one. Yeah, keep my nose straight. Perfect, over, so off power. Get on center line here. Lagrange traffic. 43051, vacating 31 Tango, taxi right here.
Avionics off. and master. Key right there.